Hello authors, your book was meant for more. Let me share with you very quickly a way that you can impact far more lives with your book and the quickest way to acquire six-figure income, but change lives and solve problems with your book. Let's take this example right here. See, your book was what? Meant for more. Yes, your book was meant for more. Now, see, and also I want you to understand your book is your hook. You got to understand your book is your hook. People just don't want to read your book. They want to hear your voice from your book. They want to learn from your book. They want some coaching from your book. They might want some entertainment from your book. There's so many things they want from your book. Once again, your book is just your hook. And as you and I know, as you write a book, you become the authority. You obtain credibility in that specialty. That's what allows you to impact and change lives and also what? Make the money. Yes, make the money. Okay, let's utilize this as an example. Say your book was 8 to 10 chapters. As an example, let's say it was 8 chapters. This is your 8-chapter book. We're going to convert those 8 chapters to 8 lessons. Yes, lessons, just like in a lesson plan for a school or something like that. 8 lesson plans, 8 lessons. But what we're going to do, those 8 lessons, we're going to film and video those 8 lessons, okay? And that's what we're going to create, what is called a digital product. At that point, when they're created, videoed, and you line them up and you create, we're going to create a course, step by step by step. Yes, we're going to create a video course, okay? Now, that video course becomes what? We're going to utilize it as a high-ticket course. Because your book, the information in your book can impact and change and inspire and solve somebody's problem, but can change somebody's life. Yeah, somebody's life. So a high ticket course is normally the price range is normally between $3,000 to $20,000. Let's just say we're going to charge for your course, which is the going rate right now, which is kind of right in the middle right now, which is easy. It's $5,000. Yeah, your course is definitely it will be worth $5,000. Yes. Okay, so now you've created a high-ticket course, Now, suppose you try to acquire say your goal was to acquire 1 customer per week. Yes, your first week, your second week, your third week, your fourth week, bang, 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 bang. But they all were what? $5,000 customers. That's what? $20,000 a month. Now, the last time I heard, the average self-publishing author makes an average of $20,000, not a month, but $20,000 a year. Yes, the average self-publishing author makes about $20,000 a year. Now, see, the greater the impact, the greater the problem being solved, the greater the money, the greater the opportunity is. You understand that? Yes. So your key right here, the way you want to get these customers, what you have to do, you have to advertise. And a lot of times people don't advertise strategically. That's the problem why we can't sell as many books. See, a lot of times you put the book up on the website. Website is good to still sell your book, but you need to create a funnel, yes. So, but what we're going to do 3 different ways we want to advertise your book, okay? The first way we want to advertise your book is through a funnel with paid ads. And when I mean paid ads, I want to talk about paid ads. I'm talking about like on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, on TikTok, on LinkedIn. Yes, on these particular social platforms, that's where you actually want to actually do paid ads to sell your book. No, to sell your actual new course. Now, you have a new online course, okay? Now, that's not the only way. Also, you want to do the same thing or utilize the same platforms, social platforms, to create what? Organic content, like what I'm doing now. This is free content. I'm not paying anybody for it. I just want to help people. See, people want to know what you know to see if what you're talking about resonates to them and if you can maybe solve a problem for them, okay? So you want paid ads, you want organic content that you want to put out as well. Then the third way you want to market, you want to do this. You want to utilize your voice. You want to be speaking. You want to use your voice. Now, one of the best ways to do that, you can speak to get paid for speaking from your book. That's easy to do too. Also, but one of the biggest things, the way to speak is I say speak for sale. Speak to sell. That means you're speaking for free from a lot of people's platforms, but in the back of the room, or you're following up on emails and phone emails and telephone numbers that you've acquired from them during the actual event when you were speaking. You acquired that from them, and guess what? You make that money later on, but that can be a lot of money. Say if there's 100 people inside of the room, and you go into the room, and before you even start speaking, You say, hey there, my name is Charlie Grant. I'm so humbled, honored, and thankful just to have an opportunity and elated for you guys to invite me out today. I'd like to give you a free gift. Anybody have a phone? Raise your phone up, raise your phone up. Okay, raise your phone up. Okay, check out my email address right here. If you can key this in right quick, I'd like to give you a free gift right now. Just key this in right now. How many? Oh, almost done. Okay. Well, great. I just wanted to thank you. I just wanted to give homage. Okay. Now, at that particular point, if there was 100 people in that room, that's somebody else's event. That's not yours. O-P, ha 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 ha. Other people's stages. O-P-S. Other people's stages. It wasn't your event, somebody else's event. Say if it was a webinar, it was a seminar, it was a workshop, it was a convention. See, now the key is if you did that, it was 100 people inside the room, probably 40 to 50% of them did what? Gave you their information. Now you can double back, follow up with email blasts or email campaigns, sending them like the email for about 7 days, and you'll probably get about 10% of those customers. So say, for instance, if it was 100 people in the room and there was 50 or 40% of them who gave you their email address and their names, and you did a 7-day campaign, email blast, phone blast, or text blast, whatever you want to do, campaigns, you probably got 10%, which is probably 4 or 5 people. So 4 or 5 people at that free event would have got you $20,000 to $25,000. So that wasn't that bad for what a free event, of OPS, other people's stages. Also, you can create your own stage, meaning you can create your own seminar, you can create your own webinar, you can create your own workshop, you can create your own summit. You understand what I'm saying? So you want to market 3 different ways. You want to market, once again, let's do this again. Paid ads, organic traffic, and you want to do what? Speaking. Those 3 ways that you want to market this particular high ticket course. Okay? Now, look at this. $20,000 self-publishing author on an average per year versus you making 20 grand per month. Hey, I'm Charlie G. I'm really out of here, but if you need any help or if you like the information, if something was appealing to you, something might have touched you, or you've learned something, please subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this coming your way.